Hi guys, welcome to the Sage Glow Studio YouTube channel, and today we are making my glowy cacao elixir. Before I get started, a little note on cacao. This is different than your baking cocoa. Baking cocoa is more processed. It sometimes has sugar added to it, things like that. We want raw cacao. This is just the beans ground up and is going to give you the most bang for your buck. So why raw cacao? First of all, it's cacao. It's chocolate. It's delicious. Second, it has a ton of antioxidants. It also has lots of minerals and vitamins like magnesium. And third, it is great for your hormones. It lowers your cortisol, which is the stress hormone, and it raises your serotonin, which is your feel-good, happy hormone. And don't we all want a little more of that? I have been drinking this cacao elixir in the morning. I feel like it gives me a little boost of energy to start my day. And it's grounding, but uplifting and heart opening. And it's just a really good, tasty, feel-good elixir that I hope you will enjoy. So let's get started. First, I'm going to teach you a little hack. A lot of times with elixirs and lattes, you have to warm your milk up on the stove and then put it in the Vitamix and blend it up. And now you have like a ton of dishes and nobody has time for that, right? So what we're going to do is make our milk directly in the Vitamix as we make the elixir. You can do this with hemp seeds or cashews, which if you have a really strong blender, you don't even need to soak because both of these don't need to be strained to make your milk. So we're going to start with the hemp seeds. I'm going to do about 1/4 cup, and these are just raw hemp seeds, right into the Vitamix. And let's get our hot water. This is going to be about 2 cups. Put that right in there. And next we're going to add in our cacao. I keep a spoon directly in the cacao bag for easy cacao access. We're gonna do a nice, healthy tablespoon and a little more for good measure because we're feeling wild. Next, sweetener. My favorite for this is pure maple syrup. I feel like the taste of this isn't overpowering like honey, but you could also use a date or coconut sugar, just something that's really pure. Now, this is coconut manna. This will change your life. It is the coconut meat blended up, and it's super creamy and luscious and beautiful, and you will love it. It adds a little bit of natural sweetness and makes it a little thick. And the healthy fat is really good for you. So we're going to put about a tablespoon of that right in there. And now our little extras. I like to do a few dashes of cinnamon. And then some pink Himalayan salt to bring out the sweetness. And from here, you could add in another adaptogen or some mushroom powder, a little CBD, whatever you're in the mood for, but this is the base. This is usually what I go with. So we're gonna blend it up now. I like to let it run on high for a little bit so you really get everything nice and mixed together. And then grab your favorite mug. Pour it on in. As you can see, the hemp seeds are all blended up, and we top it with this beautiful froth. Okay, let's have a taste. It's delicious. You guys are going to love this. Let me know if you try this cacao recipe and what other things you would like to see coming out of the Sage Glow kitchen. See you next time. Bye.